I just wanted to take a few minutes to share a little bit about my experience in working in the program with Steven. It's been an incredible process so far, and I don't even think I'm 2 months in. And I just this last week closed my first deal where the assignment fee, the wholesale fee that we received was just under 24,000. It was 23,700 dollars for my first deal. And I believe that from the start of marketing to the close of the deal was 4 to 5 weeks. So needless to say, working with Steven, I've gotten incredible results. And a little bit of my story and my background, I have zero background in real estate. And when my first letters hit the mailbox and emails went out and phone calls and things, that was my very first efforts I've ever done in my entire life in real estate. I'm transitioning out of a small health coaching business, small business that I owned, but walked away from a significant income and was rebuilding from scratch. And so to walk into, within the first month, to walk into a deal of that size was really significant. And the process of working with Steven couldn't have been more smooth and really more pleasant and enjoyable, fun and informative. Everything from, day one of learning how to set up an email for myself and a cell phone, a private cell phone, all the way through walking away with my check. Every step of the way, Steven has been steady and encouraging and provided exactly what I needed. So even with some of those little things that feel silly and tedious, he was helpful and responsive all the way through having the conversations with the personal representatives, going through the probate process, talking with attorneys, talking with title companies, building my cash buyer list. All of the pieces of the puzzle were smooth sailing, and Steven was available and helpful and equipping at every step of the way. There was never a point at which I felt like I wasn't going to have what I needed. And so while even though every single step was new, I always had the right words, I always had the right process. It was very simple, very straightforward. The videos and things that I self-equipped with were very, very helpful and were absolutely world-class training, but yet Steven was also there holding my hand. He didn't just send me to a video and say good luck. He walked with me through every single step of the way. And what I was able to accomplish was within 4 to 5 weeks, build out my cash buyers list to over 100 people. I was able to connect with and secure a contract, connect with a personal representative and secure a contract for a property. Within 2 to 3 days, we were able to secure a buyer and assign that contract to an end buyer. And within about 2 weeks after that, we were able to close. I built up my cash buyer list, but I also built relationships with other potential buyers in the future, including the one who took this assignment and others. We received 3 to 4 offers over our asking price. And I also developed incredible relationships with the attorney and the title company and laid the foundation for a really beautiful business going forward and process of continuing to wholesale. So I can't say enough about my experience and the benefits of working with Steven, and would recommend it for anyone.